Hey everyone, this is Amal from VNCproject team. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add holidays within VNCproject and how they will look like on the dashboard of Workload. This is very important when it comes to managers who want to see who's available from their team members and who's not. For example, who's sick and who's not able to come to work. And because everything will be recorded in the system by human resources. For example, if you have a public holiday like Independence Day, or if you have a religious holiday like Christmas and so on, you can also record them into the system so employees would know who's available and who's not by going to the dashboard of the workload. That can be handy in case you have different departments in different countries, um, where a certain department is celebrating a different celebration. So you know who would be there and who would not be. I'm going to show you as an example. Before adding a holiday, I have to add a category for it, like a specification for it. For example, if I want now to add Easter holiday as a holiday in my system, the category would be a religious celebration, because Easter has to do with a religious celebration. So I'm going to click here on holiday categories. This is from the admin panel. I already have one religious holidays. I added that previously into the system, but for the sake of this demo, I'm going to add a second one. So I'm going to call it religious holiday 2. As a description, I can say all holidays in this category have to do with religious reasons. That could be Christmas, that can be Easter, that can be Adha, that can be Fitr, for example, for Muslims, that can be um, other holidays. And then I can just simply click on create. I'm going to make it active so I can use it. As you can see here, now it's created. So far it's empty because I did not add to it any holiday. So now I'm going to go back to the admin panel. And now I'm going to click on holiday so I can add one holiday and attach it to that category. To do that, I'm going to click on new holiday. Here I specify to what user I'm going to grant this holiday. I'm able to add it to individual users, and I can add it also to group of users. If you have by default groups into the system, for example, you can add one group for all employees who work in Pakistan, or all employees who work in India or Germany. You can just choose the group here, and by default all employees who are added in this group will have that holiday. Now for the purpose of this demo, I'm gonna add it to my user, Amal. Here I'm gonna say that this is Easter, straight like that, and the description will be Easter religious holiday. Yeah. And the category, this has to do with religion, so I'm gonna choose religious holiday 2, and this is gonna be on the 27th. That was yesterday, and also on the 27th. So starting day is 27th to 27th, which means that this holiday is only one day, as an example. So I click on create. Now from the system, now I can see that my user Amal has Easter holiday. This is the description for it. This is a religious holiday, and which means that Amal will not be available on the 27th of March. I'm able always to update it, to update the info, and for this holiday, the title, the due date, the start date of this holiday, and so on. Here I also have filters. I get to see what holidays I have for every category. For example, like this one. Okay, it's empty, this one, which means no holidays under this category, the current one that I added my holiday for it, religious holiday too, I get to see the list. So you can here also search holidays based on user and based on the time. Now I want to see how this would look like inside my workload dashboard. I click here on workload. The holiday that I just added was yesterday, so I'm going to choose starting from the 27th. So here you get to see it, which means that all the day of the 27th is blocked. As it says here, Easter holiday, Easter religious holiday. The system will notice that I will not be available for work, so any work that I try to add here in this day will not be possible. I'm going to show you how this would look like. I'm going to add now a ticket and assign it to myself and try to add it to that specific day. Oops, gonna go here. I'm gonna add it to one of the projects where I am member in, for example, base case. I'm gonna click on new issue here, and let's say that this is only a test. I'm gonna assign it to myself, Amal, and I'm gonna say that I'm gonna work on it today. Okay, for now I'm gonna assign it on today's date, which is the 28th, and I'm gonna click on create. So the ticket is created, and I will go back to my workload dashboard. Yes, so now this is the ticket, the 28th. Now I'm gonna try to drag and drop it into the day where I am off, where I'm supposed to celebrate Easter. I will not be able, as you can see now, as much as I try now to drag and drop it, I will not be able. I can drag and drop it here on the 29th. So the system should allow me, because this day I'm expected to work eight working hours. As you can see here now, it's on the 29th of March. It was 28th, and now it's moved to the 29th, which is the start date and the due date also. This is it when it comes to holidays, how they would look like on workload dashboard, and they are important for managers to know who's working at this date and who's not working. It could be for an employee who's not able to come because he's sick, so he calls the human resources, or he can log in into the system and mention that. So people, when they see that this day is blocked and the reason is like sick leave, then his manager will know, oh, he's not able to work, then I'm not gonna assign work for him at that date. So this is it for this video, and hopefully that was clear, and thank you for listening.